Today we are going to take a look at changing improper fractions into mixed numbers. Our learning target for today is I can change improper fractions into mixed numbers using fraction bars. Improper fractions are fractions that are more than one whole. So we are going to use our fraction bars to figure out how to change improper fractions to mixed numbers. If you do not have your fraction bars in front of you, go ahead and pause the video to get some fraction bars so you can use them throughout this lesson. Okay, the first thing we're going to look at is we have 7, 6 in front of us. So I want you to go ahead and build 7, 6. We have 1, 6. 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6, 6, and this is 7, 6. Go ahead and use your fraction bars to build it in front of you. Once you have it built, we need to think about how can we change this improper fraction into a mixed number. Wow, well we can use our fraction bars to help us. We can look at how many wholes we have here. Well, let's use our fraction bar to see. So we have 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6, 6. We have 1 whole and 1 6 more. So if we look at how to write that, it would look like this. 7, 6 is equivalent to 1 and 1, 6. So we can move our pieces to prove it. We have 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6, 6. We know that it is equivalent to 1 whole. And we know we just have 1 more 6 beyond the whole. So let's try another one. Here we have 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, 5/4, 6/4. And we would write that as 6/4. We know 6/4. 6/4 is an improper fraction because it's more than 1 whole. But we need to figure out how much more than the whole is it? Well, let's take our fraction bars and line it up. So we know we have 1 whole, and we have how many fourths beyond the whole? We have 2/4 beyond the whole. So we could write that as 2/4. 1 6/4 is equivalent to 1 and 2/4. So we know we could also, if we know about equivalent fractions, we could also say that 6/4 is equivalent to 1 and 1/2. So we could say either 6/4 is equivalent to 1 and 2/4, or we could go ahead and say that 6/4 is equivalent to 1 and 1/2. Now, I want you to use your fraction bars and try a few on your own. Remember, start with your improper fractions that are more than 1 whole, and find out how many wholes are there and how much more than the whole you have. Be sure to record your thinking